Hello children and welcome to a new chapter of Standard 5th Social Studies. Chapter number 13 and the topic is natural disasters. So in this chapter we will be dealing about all the natural disasters that we see around us. Children, before we get in the chapter we have to discuss what are natural disasters. Unexpected natural events which kill a lot of people or cause huge damage are called natural disasters. Unexpected means without notice, without warning, unplanned or surprising. These are the meanings of unexpected. In other words, natural disaster is an event that is caused by natural forces of the earth where great damage and sometimes loss of life occurs. Natural disasters reveal the fury of nature. Fury means the extreme strength of violence in an action or a natural phenomenon. They are beyond the control of human beings. Children, let us study about the natural disasters in detail. First of all, we'll learn about earthquakes. Earthquakes are tremors or vibrations caused in the earth. Tremors means shaking. They are the result of a sudden movement of the earth's crust along the weaker points of the earth's surface. Tremors travel as waves in all directions from the center of the disturbance. The place from where an earthquake originates or begins is called the seismic focus. The point on the earth vertically above the seismic focus is called the epicenter. We can measure and record the intensity and duration of an earthquake with a device called seismograph. The intensity of an earthquake is measured on a Richter scale from 0 to 9. Strong earthquakes have intensity values of more than 5. Children, intensity means the power or energy, severity, extremity or the seriousness. Earthquake is a natural disaster which happens without any prior warning and causes serious damage. Many earthquakes happen every year. Most of them are minor and we hardly feel their effects. However, sometimes there are major earthquakes that cause huge damage to life and property. On 26 January 2001, Bhuj in Gujarat faced a terrible earthquake. Terrible means the serious earthquake. More than 20,000 people died, 15 lakh were injured and about 8 lakh houses were ruined. Ruined means destroyed. In India, earthquakes occur frequently in the Himalayan range in northern India. Countries like Japan and Philippines are prone to earthquakes. People living there make earthquake resistant structures and buildings. Now children, we'll see what are the effects of earthquakes. Earthquakes can change the physical features. They can result in the formation of valleys and mountains. Earthquakes cause huge damage to life and property. Many people become injured or die. Buildings, bridges, etc. collapse. Underwater earthquakes can form new islands or submerge the existing ones. Tsunami is also caused because of an underwater earthquake. Earthquakes cause landslides in the hilly areas. These are the effects of earthquakes. Now we'll see what are the precautions we will take during an earthquake. What are the precautions we will take during an earthquake? First thing, get out of the building and move towards an open area. Sit under a table or a desk or shield your head. Keep yourself away from buildings, lampposts, trees, signboards and transformers. Do not use a lift during or immediately after an earthquake. Stop the vehicle as soon as you feel an earthquake and do not panic. So these are the precautions we'll take during an earthquake. Children, this is the first part of chapter 13. In the second part, we will discuss two more natural disasters, that is cyclones and floods. Okay, till then, bye bye.